Alright guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to be showing you another way that you guys can start earning crypto completely passively in the background, and it is through this browser called Brave. Now I'm going to show you guys what this browser does, but essentially it is paying you to use the internet as you normally would, and it's a ton of other stuff too. So basically it is a browser. It's 3 times faster than Chrome, which is true. You get added layers of security. So this is actually blocking, I'll go on a website like World Star Hip Hop with a ton of ads and trackers, and this website is actually blocking all these trackers and advertisers from getting your data. So just for that reason alone, this browser is completely worth it. Now, on top of that, you also get access to the same extensions that you would on Google Chrome, so you're not missing out on any of those either. And what else? We also got the Tor browser built in. So if you use the deep web, or if you're doing some fishy stuff online and you want to hide your browsing history, you can use the Tor browser, which is built in, and you'll be completely hidden from ISPs and the government. Now, on top of that, you can also go on YouTube, and this will actually block all the ads from YouTube by default. So if we watch a music video, which are notorious for their ads, you can see it just starts to the music video. We don't watch any ads at all. So just for those reasons alone, it's an awesome browser. But as I said, this is a browser to earn cryptocurrency in the background, and I'll show you guys. I've earned 6.0 Brave within the last 5 months of using this browser, and I'll show you guys exactly what that does here. So yeah, I've accumulated about 8 BAT tokens since I've used this browser, I think. And once you earn those BAT tokens, you can go to a platform like Coinbase. You can trade, so you can send your BAT tokens to your Coinbase. Once they're deposited, you can convert and go from your BAT tokens, switch that into Bitcoin. And this is a completely free browser. You don't have to do anything crazy, no installation about like a server, none of that crazy stuff. You just download the browser and off you go. So I would highly recommend you guys download it. It is called Brave Browser once again, and they also have a mobile app. So this is one of the best ways to start earning crypto in the background. And keep in mind, guys, the more people that adopt Brave, the higher the value of this token goes. So right now, if we search up the price of this token, it's worth about 18 cents. I think that's USD, 18 cents USD per coin. And then if that goes to $1, you're sitting on a lot of BAT tokens. So this is one of the least riskiest ways to earn it, and I highly recommend you guys get started. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for more crypto videos.